Good morning, Wade Hampton High School. My name is Trip Edwards, and I am the owner and president of Edwards Insurance Agency, Inc. We are an independent insurance agency in here that specializes in personal lines and commercial lines, property and casualty, meaning that we do home, auto, umbrella, commercial general liability, workers' comp, compensation insurance for business owners. What led me to the insurance world is I have a Bachelor of Science degree in construction science and management from Clemson University, and thought I wanted to be a residential home builder when I graduated. I worked in the construction industry for a couple years here locally and was just not very happy. And my mother at that time was employed at State Farm Insurance in auto claims. They were looking to hire adjusters in the property and casualty side, doing inspections of homeowner damage due to like water loss, fire losses, etc. And I got an interview, and with my background in construction, I was hired. I did that for almost 5 years, and I knew that I really enjoyed the insurance industry, and I knew I wanted to get on the agency side of the business and get out of the claim side. So I went through State Farm's agency program, and I was not selected. So after that, I started exploring opportunities, and I left State Farm after 5 years and went to Farm Bureau as an agent to get experience on the agency side of the business. At Farm Bureau, I was an independent contractor working on straight commission. And after about 5 years there, I was trying to think about my long-term goals and where I wanted to go for me and my family. And in 2007, I went out on my own and started Edwards Insurance Agency. And for about 4 years, I was the only employee of the agency as I was trying to build the agency. Our average day kind of varies. We never know what's going to happen, depending on what has happened from the day before, the weekend before. Matter of fact, before we did this morning, I was on the phone with a client that has about 30 rental properties here in Greenville, and one of them had a fire last night. So talking to her about the fire loss and getting the adjuster out there to assess the damage, and to help her. The best part of my job and with the agency is working with people. I love establishing relationships, having people trust us to try to take care of their insurance needs and to know that we're looking out for their best interest. Probably the hardest part of our job is when we have a claim situation and the claim is not going as our insurer would like, as far as maybe a payment or how long it's taking, and having to try to work through that process between our insured and the insurance company. Because obviously we're in the middle, so to speak, where we represent both parties and trying to do the right thing for everybody. Long-term career goals are to continue doing what we do, continue to grow our agency, and continue to serve more clients in the Greenville and entire South Carolina area. We actually can write business in the entire state of South Carolina and North Carolina, so we just want to kind of continue to grow my agency. And maybe one day, I have 2 boys, Will and Jack Edwards, that are both Wade Hampton graduates. Or Jack will be here coming up hopefully sometime later this month, next month, when the 2020 class graduates. Hopefully that maybe one or both of them would be interested in getting into this business and taking over one day. I guess that'll be to be determined. The advice I would give any students would be to work hard, follow your goals, aim high, dream big. Anything's possible, be it college, be it a trade. Just do whatever your heart desires and try to find something that you enjoy doing. It's a lot easier to get up and go to work every day when you enjoy and love what you do, and you're doing it for the right reasons. The outlook of the insurance profession and business is we're in an industry that people have to have it. If you own a home with a mortgage, the mortgage company is going to require you to maintain insurance on the property. If you drive a car in the state of South Carolina, the state requires you to maintain liability insurance. In the insurance world, there's a lot of competition, a lot of agents out here, and that's where we really push hard to work with clients and build a relationship, a trust, that they understand what we're doing and why we're doing it, and it's not just a situation where we're trying to sell them a policy to make a dollar, that we're truly trying to protect their best interest and what they have worked hard to obtain. Thank you for your time. Best of luck to all Wade Hampton students, and hope everybody has a great day.